Hi there, so here's the Echo Dot while here is the Echo Portable. Both are Echo smart speakers and priced roughly around the same, 3,500, which is why it would be perfect to compare these two. So if you're planning to buy a small smart speaker for your home or your office and are confused which one to pick, this is the video that will help you decide. I've also made individual detailed review videos for both these devices. I'll leave the links for both of them in the description. I highly recommend you watch them. So before we begin with the comparison, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So let's start with one of the biggest difference between the two, which is actually going to help you decide. The Echo Dot is a wired smart speaker that needs to be connected to a power source for it to work. While the Echo Portable, as the name says, is portable, it has a 4800 mAh battery that can run the Echo speaker for 10 hours on a single charge, which means the speaker will remain active for voice command for 10 hours. Music playback will just be 5 hours on one charge. The basic function between these two is absolutely the same. Same voice commands, same music, same controls. The biggest difference is only portability. So I have the white color Echo Dot. It's also available in other colors like black, grey and purple. The purple color looks a lot like the pink. Maybe that's just me. While the Echo Portable is available only in black. The fabric texture covering the speakers is almost the same, soft and a little squishy. When you keep one above the other, you can see that the size is almost the same in length. However, the Echo Portable is a lot taller compared to the Dot, and the reason being the huge 4800 mAh battery. The speaker inside the Echo Dot is 1.6 inch, while the one on the Portable is 1.5 inch. We shall compare the sound quality in a moment. The volume button on the Portable is on the front, while the Dot is on the top. There is a ring light on the Echo Dot on the top which turns blue when you call out the Alexa name, turns red when you mute it, and white when you change the volume. On the Portable, there is a small LED light in the center with the same indicators as the Dot, but this is so small that you can barely see it from far. I'm sure this was done to save power, and it does make sense. You don't want the big light to consume your battery because you want to use it maximum for music. The biggest pro of the Echo Dot is that it has a 3.5 audio out, so you can connect it to your external speaker or home theater system, which surprisingly the Echo Portable totally lacks. Now this is so handy for the Dot, which makes it perfect for those house parties. Just connect it to your favorite soundbar and you're done. The pro of the Portable is that it comes with a micro USB charging port, which makes it easier to charge it almost anywhere, in the car, with your laptop or even your power bank. Both speakers support Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone and play songs on it. But you will need an active internet connection to pair the Echo with the phone. Though it doesn't make sense, but it won't accept voice commands if it doesn't have an internet connection. The Echo Dot and Portable both have 4 mics, so technically both should respond equally well to voice commands. Let's play some music on both.
That's good.
The sound on the Echo Dot is definitely louder, but the sound on the Portable is richer. Not that it makes a big difference because the speakers aren't that big. Let's play another track. There is almost zero bass on the Dot, but the clarity is really impressive. You can feel a little more thump on the Portable comparatively. Overall, the sound profile is very similar and it will be very difficult to decide which one to pick. When it comes to choosing between these two, you have to decide where and how you're going to use it. If you need a bedside speaker, both will do a great job, but the Dot will have an edge over it because you won't have to worry about charging it. Also, the Dot has an option with digital clock, which just makes it perfect for that bedside table or work desk where you can take a glance at the time. The Dot with clock is a little expensive comparative to the regular Dot by around 2000 rupees. If you are someone who prefers to take the speaker in the balcony while sipping your coffee, or someone who wants to listen to music or recipes while cooking in the kitchen, or carrying it with you for a picnic, then the Echo Portable is perfect for you. Both these speakers will need an active internet connection to work. Yes, you can connect it with your mobile hotspot using the Alexa app. Even if you don't have a Wi-Fi connection, these will work. So I hope this video has helped you decide between these two budget Echo speakers. I'll leave the link in the description for both the Echo devices. If you'd like to buy one, do check it out. If there are any questions regarding either of these speakers, mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.